Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 13th of May, 2022. I think I said 2021 last one. It's 2022. Looking at Harmony or one. We haven't looked at this one in quite a while. And also, I haven't done a lot of videos lately because, well, I'm a new dad again, and a newborn along with a toddler require a lot of parenting. Taking a look here at Harmony, though. So Harmony's got something good happening here from well, I'll get into that on the weekly chart, but price action wise, it's bounced off of the 618. It's currently above the 50% retracement at 0.049 or just 5 cents even. That is a good sign that it's holding into that range. I don't know why I don't have I have it on the other ones, but it's above. We won't have a complete Ichimoku chart on the 3-week chart for Harmony until July 31st, the week of July 31st, 2023. So we have a while, but Senko Span A is a good longer term one to watch. And so we are still above that. The Chiku Span is above the candlestick still. So if Harmony 1 is going to continue on with a nice expansion move, it's going to need to move to 21 cents over the next 2-3 week candles. Otherwise, it's likely to face some selling pressure again. But you know, the volume here, this is the first week of this 3-week candle, and the volume is already matching the last two. I mean, it's within it's so far it's within range of the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 3-week candles, last 18 weeks. And this is only the first week, so it's likely to surpass that. Looking at the weekly chart here, it's in an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout, and what matters worse is that the Chiku Span closed below the cloud. And whenever that happens, especially if you get an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout and then the Chiku Span closes below the cloud as well, that's a very, very strong bearish signal. But given how low that Harmony has moved, I mean, there's likely to be some type of at least another bounce here. The weekly chart shows a lot of volume coming in. There's a pretty good gap between the bodies of the last two including to last week's candle. Good amount of space between the bodies of those candles and the Tenkan Sen. If there is any return to upside potential here, any upside momentum, it is likely to face a little bit of resistance at 10.5 cents, and then above that, you get to the 20-cent range where the bottom of the weekly Ichimoku cloud is at Senko Span B. That's the strongest level of support and resistance within the Ichimoku system. And then you have the weekly Kijun Sen there as well. So lots of resistance up ahead. But from an oscillator perspective, definitely we should see a bounce here. And finally, onto the daily chart. It's up 27.25% right now, which still doesn't bring it up to the daily Tenkan Sen. The Kijun Sen's up there, same kind of value areas. The 2022 volume point of control is at 16 cents. And yeah, I'm not really interested in going long on Harmony at all yet. I want to see a little bit. There's more opportunities out there, and this chart's just really kind of choppy. So, but I know it is a popular one still, and it's one to just kind of keep your eye out for and watch it. But especially the price range here between 8.25 cents and then up to 12 cents. There's a pretty good gap between the volume profile. So don't be surprised if Harmony does get to that 8.5 cent level. It's going to just blast right through to the 12 cents. So just be aware of that. Otherwise, that does it for me on Harmony. Thank you all for watching. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, have a great weekend. Take care of yourselves. Look forward to speaking with you again. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.